Lord Buddha said, "All that we are is the result of what we have thought. The mind is everything. What we think, we become." Have you ever thought how people are successful or what makes them succeed? I believe that there is not a single person on earth who doesn't want to be successful. How are things different for people who succeed? How did they get to the position they are in now? Why am I not being so successful? In fact, it is very easy and more relaxing to consider that achievement just occurs to a few people. However, that is not further from the reality. You will find that each and every remarkably triumphant person has chosen 6 steps, irrespective of the fact that they are successful financially or in any other way. It is not that they suddenly wake up one fine morning and find that they have succeeded. It is without doubt that successful people have worked their way to the spot they are in now. Are you prepared to attempt the 6 things that all victorious people do? 1. Set objectives. Bear in mind that all victorious people set goals with dates within which they complete the task. Some promise to themselves like, "I surely will lose 5 pounds this month," and not that "I will decrease my weight this year." Hence, it is a must that you set concrete goals along with a period within which to achieve those objectives. 2. Start immediately. You have to start immediately to succeed like all successful people. They never drag or even try to put it off. Once they set their goals, they start their action straight away since they comprehend the power of force. Maybe they do not do everything instantly, but still they start and keep going. Maybe they seek the help of others to complete some of their tasks, or they reserve critical dates. Whatever it is, they never stop once they get going. 3. Be optimistic. In fact, this one is 50% empty, 50% full syndrome. Triumphant people are idealists and consider the cup is forever half full. They are not the pie-in-the-sky type of people. They only look at the positive side of their goals and they trust their ability in achieving their goals. 4. Take action. Successful people act even if they have partial information, but many people wait till they get answers, and if you do so, you may have to keep waiting forever. This is in fact known as analysis paralysis, and believe me, people do experience it. 5. Be resolute. Actually, in war, plans do go out of the window the moment the first bullet is fired. There are a lot of variables that it is not possible to decide how things will continue. The same is also true when it comes to the majority of the life decisions. You will never know what will occur as soon as you take the initial step. Hence, only the constants are final visualization and your willpower to get to that spot, even if you have to tread the rough path. 6. Attract it. Successful people make use of the laws of attraction to succeed, which means that you should have a very clean and clear vision of your requirements. Your thoughts will surely pull success towards you. It is a fact that what we think most, we will also see it. For instance, you buy your most coveted red car and find that almost everyone has it. Success does not just happen like that to people. Something has to be done in order to make it happen. Follow the above-mentioned steps, and you will also surely succeed.